drawing time. Let's go. Story time is really around. Okay, so once upon a time, well, not really that long ago, just a few days ago, and it's another YouTuber called KK. She drew really well, inspired by her art. I decided to also draw. Well, obviously I drew before I even knew her, because yes. And how do I explain this? I'm in her Discord server, and yeah, I've talked to her like a few times, maybe. You should sub to her, and maybe me too, cause she makes good videos. Yeah. I think she had like 32 videos last time, but I think that's changed now. La 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 la. Hashtag me struggling to draw the hair. Come on. One sec. Okay. Nope. Maybe? Yeah! Wait. Something's off here. No, I ruined it. No, it's better. Wait. I might be able to save. No. Oh, yeah, man. This kind of looks good, so I'll keep it like this. Bye. Should I make this good now? What do I do? Oh yeah. I should not make the facial features right now. You guys know how terrible I am at drawing. Well, bodies. If you have watched my channel, you know that I'm a terrible drawer. Maybe I'll make my first second OC even though I'm new. Hashtag doll. Wait, am I doing something real quick? I want to make him go out the canvas, but I do not know how. Wait. Oh, haha. No, but still did. No. I want to do something about this hand. Oh, I know what to do. This arm. Well, maybe replace it, because why not? Should I give him claws? Yeah. Yeah, that looks weird, so I won't do it. I should do like a blade. Hashtag warning blade. Reminds me of FPE, to be honest. Do it. I shall add bandages. Wait, something's wrong. There's something on my screen. Weird. I swear there's something on my screen. Okay, whatever. Should I even add a bed? I don't think so. I should make a skin for him, but I don't know what to do. Oh no, my bandages. Let's make it with jeans. $13.4. Look. What do I do now? Clothes design? But what clothes design? It's maybe like a bloody design. You know what? My house is gonna be a killer. I don't care. It's gonna be a killer. Wait, I wanna try something. And then if we just do this, I think it'll work. Wait, why am I so quiet? I should be talking to y'all right now, but I don't think you guys like yap. I'm gonna make it inspired by Miss Bloomy, cause yes. And yes, it is related to a snake, I think. So I can see better. This looks okay. And then what should I do from here? Oh yeah, I should make it. Make it like he used to be a survivor, but he became a killer. Yeah, make it like that because I don't care. I wanna make a hole in him, like he's been nom 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 when he was a survivor. So this big bite will work. Looks okay. Yeah, okay. I should also add fingerless glove. Oh, and if possible, can someone tell me how to record on laptop and upload it on mobile? Or you can? Can you? What should I add for this part? Oh, I know. Let's add like I feel like his best friend is gonna be one of the survivors. Yeah, perfect. Big breath. It looks like a crown, but it actually isn't a crown. Hashtag facts. Yay, I think my OC is ready. Now just time to... I need a specific color palette for this one. The skin will be white, unfortunately. No, I'm not racist. I am feeling a proud Indian myself. Fun fact, I watch Labor. So Abu Dhabi is Abu Dhabi. And what else to say again? Oh yeah, Kotami is Maggie here. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't think you'll gain a 6-pack in 2 hours. Not in 2 hours. Maybe you will, I don't know. If like Slaypoint watches this video, then I'll be very, very shocked if they leave a comment. Actually, too much shocked, it'll get a heart attack. But if they still comment, I do not. I will actually care. I will be like, How much? Okay, for a few minutes. I think all the outlining is done. Okay, now let's see without the. It looks better with outlining, to be honest. Okay, next layer. Does the hair color also have to be white if I'm doing the skin colorway? I think it does. But I want the hair to be black. Oh well, I don't care anymore. What is it called? Oh, I do have nothing else to do, so I mean I only need to color. I think I'll make the pants blue thinking. I want to use the bucket tool, but let's see how it is. Artists say do not use a bucket tool because it's very bad. Oh hi guys, welcome to my. Well, it's okay, I guess. Now what should the short color be doing? No, I want it to be I mean green works. But does this green work? I think this green works. They'll even add a special effect to it. Maybe, I don't know. I don't think this goes well. Oh yeah, we should make some pot black like the neck. Okay. Perfect. Okay, let me take a look at that. There we go. Good gosh now. Minimum. Okay. This actually looks nice, bro. And then the 7. Color changing. Whoa, what is that? Do that. I got scammed. 1 second. Yeah, I think this was the thing I'm using now. What else do I do? Lighting will always be there. Hashtag wheel proof I drop. I haven't been talking for a while. That's how concentrated I am, guys. Wow, so concentrated. Sometimes I even forget I'm recording a video. It's that bad. I don't think I'll do a background for this one because just straight up I don't care. Yeah. Should I do a background? Nah. But I'll just add too many of my signature. This is my real name, Sabri Tasir. Check on the mirror. Oh my. I even forgot how to write my own signature. Okay, and it's done. Yeah. Okay guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh wait, I forgot to show you. Yeah, ignore all of these. Okay.